What's up guys? I'm gonna do the Pinan 4, the Bunkai. This is one of the idea. Okay? So when you think of the kata, which part of the kata you're going to stop? Okay? So first movement, next opponent might behind. So he's going to touch my shoulder. At the same time, you're going to twist your hips. And the left hand going up. At the same time, you're going to hit first. And then, this hitting hand going to up. Bring to the hips behind the shoulder. And it's kind of low. I just going to follow his body structure here. And now I'm going to start stepping forward here. And attack. Okay, one more time. Touch, hit, up, hold. So just only do one hand. But it's kind of the partnership works. So, like the left hand, bring to the his behind the head. It's just a protect here. And push here. Then punch. And also, you need to care about the legs. If you're going to kick, you can block with knees, with my knees. Alright? Kick. Down. Okay? So he's gonna touch here. Up. And this one is you need to also be careful with the other hand. If he's going to punch, you gotta block. And just hold. Okay? So blocking, attacking at the same time. Here. One. And go up. Block. Here. And step. But now think about. Now he touched with his right hand. But if he touched with his left hand, what are you going to do? So touch, it's same movement, going up, hit, then up. Now his elbow bending go this way. So you need to try to touch first, then wrist joint. One, up, hit, bam. Okay? Hit. Now, if he try to punch me, block. Then down. It's still jointing. Then keep it. Okay? Okay, and one more time. Here. Alright. This one is also even. Right? Now he can punch me easier. Because his body face and my body face to each other. So sometimes you need to cover. Then go. Okay, if he's going to touch, I just turn and wait, his punch is coming. Alright? That's why you need to touch and react. Hit quick. It's not the finishing. Just touch nicely and go. Okay, this is one of the idea of the Pinan 4. So, first one from here, then pull back. Okay? So touch, hit. Then I move here. Hold. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. See you next time.